Smashers and Bashers to Hot Wheels Monster Trucks and Proving Grounds. The road to Camp Crush. The trucks are back in the land of the Crush. Mega Rex's Dino Ridge. We've got our 3 finalists, Mega Rex, Race Ace, and 5 Alarm, all roaring to go for our round 4 triple header. Who will win?
Woohoo!
And who will be Dino Done?
Oh, no!
And these prehistoric pitfalls are just a taste of what the trucks will face.
Hey, who left these eggs here?
Youngster crashes if they make it through to Camp Crush. This is Proving Grounds. Road to Camp Crush.
How did you know I was going to ask that?
You need to shut the fuck up!
You shut up!
My competitors have no chance in this prehistoric course.
Pulled into your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said 1760.
Get out of my car now.
Sir, it said...
Get out of my car! Yeah, my car! Yeah, my car now!
Mega Rex, Mega Rex, Mega Rex versus Race Ace, Race Ace, Race Ace versus 5 Alarms, 5 Alarms, 5 Alarms. Last one down is eliminated.
Yeah!
Well, I'm mad. Oh, girl. No, I tell you!
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
The dinos ran off, but left some gnarly footprints behind.
Footprints make for perfect ramps and perfect pits for you, Mega Rex.
I just gotta keep focused and avoid those craters.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, rock slide! Those dinos must have started an avalanche.
Incoming!
Must go faster!
That goes all mine.
Easy. Avoid the boulders and turn now. That was a close one. Almost there.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Let's see that again. Whoa! And it looks like Race Ace is eliminated.
Gunk is my middle name. It's actually Gunkster Gunkington the Fourth.
Gungster, 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 Gungster.
If you don't torture my I might do something bad. I might hurt people. Youngster. Do you want that?
Mega Rex and 5 Alarm beat the boulders to slide across the finish line. Let's check in on those eliminated trucks. Has Bone Shaker found any? 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 Has Bone Shaker found any more fossils over at the blast station?
How's it going, Bone Shaker? How's it going, Bone Shaker?
Digging for fossils is easy. You just thrash and smash!
Ooh, I like...
Go big, go Hot Wheels! It's a prehistoric poop storm on the track. Can the trucks dodge the doo-doo? Mega Rex takes a nasty spill, but is able to somehow stay on his tires. And right on 5 Alarm's bumper. Direct hit from the Dino Duck. Mega Reps is pooped. He's in the crater. As 5 alarms zips by for the win.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, dinos! You were supposed to help me win, not this!
Oh, that's nice. Want to see a cool magic?
How'd you make it across the shark tank already?
Shut up!
Crashing.
Watch this! Ow!
I'll show you what makes me the top truck at Camp Crush!
These monster trucks never stop training for the next challenge. Who else can show they have what it takes to be ready for Camp Crush? Find out next time on Roofing Ground. 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 The road to Camp Crush.